Assalamu alaikum learners. In this video we will learn about one more page of Canvas LMS. Uh, in this tutorial we will learn about pages. Pages actually store content and educational resource that are part of a course or group but don't necessarily belong in an assignment. Pages can include text, video and links. They are actually interactive content directly in Canvas. uh, you can share different files here. Pages can also be linked to other pages that are also be used as a collaboration tool for course or group wikis where only specific users can have access. So let's see how you can create pages and how you can work on these pages. If your page, as I told you earlier, that this closed I means the specific page has no content, or this specific page is blocked for few users. But right now this page has no content, that's why this page is looking like this. If you observe the page, here this statement is written, no page created yet. You can add one from here or you can add one from here, and this is option. You clicking on this option, you can go to the common favorites. This will go into the common favorites. I'm clicking on here to add my page. First of all, write the name or title of your page, like I'm creating a page module 1, or I'm going for round 1 chapter 1 introduction to computer. Now after writing your title, you can use this rich text box. From here you can select this different options. This is the menu bar and this is the toolbar. From selecting or by selecting any option from the toolbar or by menu bar, you can do different things here, but it is suggested from my side to insert links on this page, so that your users, if you are going to add some video, don't add video from here but add links here. And if you want to add text here, it is easy to add your text here. Like I'm going to write instructions, learning objectives, homework. You can add different things here. These are all my headings. I'm making it bold. Type instructions here, type your learning objectives here, type your homeworks here, and after that insert a link. Like if you want to add any link, you can insert link. You can insert image, like you can upload image, you can upload course images, you can upload user images, you can upload media record, course media or user media. You can also upload document. You can add equation, table, or embed something from cloud. You can also use horizontal line. Okay, right now I'm adding a link from my YouTube. Let's suppose I'm going to add a link from YouTube. This is the topic introduction to computer. I'm copying the URL of the link, copy video URL, and now I'm going to that
Assalamu alaikum,
tab.
my dear students.
This is Mrs. Anaba Shabir, your computer teacher. Now I am pasting the link here. Insert link, external link, text, introduction to computer, and paste your link here that you have copied from your YouTube channel. Then click on done. Your link is created here. Now users allowed to edit this page only teachers or teachers and students, yeah, anyone. So select it as a teacher, add to students to-do list. When you click on this, it will appear on the students to-do list, but if you close it, it will not appear. It will appear in the some area where you have created this. Now save it. You can publish this, or you can go to the modules and here you can add your page link. Page 1, this is the page that I have created right now. Click on this and add item. This will be added as a page in your module. When your module will be opened, this link will appear here. Like if I'm going to the home page, this link will appear here. Okay, on clicking on pages, the page appears like this, and on clicking on this modules, module is actually the first page that will appear. This will appear by clicking on the home page. This is how you will upload your videos on the topic, and on clicking on this, this is the link. When student will click on the link, it will take the student to that specific link. And let's see about the student view. This page is a part of the module chapter 1 and hasn't been unlocked yet because this is unpublished. And when I will publish it, student view, when the student will click on the home page, when we will publish that module, let's publish this module here. By clicking on this module will be published. And now this appear like this. Okay, this will appear like this, and when student will click on this link, it will take the student to that link that you have attached with it. Okay.